Hai pemirsa, apa kabar? Masih sama saya Lia Atmajaya dan hari ini kita juga masih akan ngelihat orang-orang yang concern banget sama budayanya Indonesia. Pengen tahu kayak gimana? Makanya jangan kemana-mana, ikutin saya aja terus ya. Mencari orang-orang yang cinta budaya Indonesia di Eropa itu ternyata nggak susah loh. Well, just stay tuned to find out. Ikut saya terus ya di Cinta Indonesia. What made you interested in Balinese and Javanese?
You know, the people are very interested in Indonesia and the former Dutch Indies. I went to Bali to learn Balinese dance again, that it is very important to save the culture.
I started to do batik when I was 15. When the Netherlands introduced batik from Indonesia in their booth in Paris in one of these exhibitions. And the people were really so enthusiastic. Yeah, I really fall in love with this technique. I developed my own style. Of course, when I started it was very simple.
Yeah.
But now you can see some of the images look like the Impressionist. This is Pekalongan style. So I have to clean and then I can start.
One day I was on holiday in Indonesia and then I took classes also there in Mangkunegaran and Kasunanan. I had this feeling inside, I have to learn Indonesian dance, and it's like a build-up of the energy. So you're just circling around each other and then suddenly you take your kris and then you got fighting. Most important thing in the Javanese dance is the feet, is the standing of the feet. Put your feet in front and roll over. Yeah.
You're interested in gamelan.
Yes, 2 times a week I went to play gamelan music. I started with gong, and then I did sluntem, and now I'm specializing on gender.
Wow. The first time you tried gamelan,
Yes.
was it so hard for you to learn it?
Yes, but I was so very enthusiastic. Side, you will have to damp with this part of your hand.
How long have you been doing this?
I started in 1991 this whole project, first with Rambukan Jawa, because of myself, the history of my mother and my grandmother.
Yeah.
So I used this tiger fight as a metaphor for the revolution of the Indonesian against the Dutch. So this is actually the Dutch, and these are the
Indonesian people.
Indonesian people.
Ini asli, ini versi komik.
Exhibition making is one part of my job. then the acquisition, so the buying of objects from Indonesia. The number of objects, Indonesia is the largest collection in the Tropen Museum, and we have about 62,000 objects from
62,000 objects.
Ini satu contoh sebab di sini pakai motif teruntung dikombinasikan dengan hiasan masjid, pohon kelapa, dan bunga-bunga.
I discovered Pencaksilat because I want to make martial art, but I was not really interested by such martial art who was very, very popular. And one day I see little movie with Pencaksilat inside. I find it very interesting, so that's why I want to start Pencaksilat. It's not only martial art, I like a lot of things from the Indonesian culture, like food, batik, I like the decoration, I like the wayang, a lot of things. Some people say to me that I'm white skin, but my blood is like Indonesian. Sometimes I was thinking, wow, it was very nice if I had blood from Indonesia, but no, only my heart. My feeling is for Indonesia.
Are people still interested in gamelan? Yeah, because for us in a way, in Holland it's considered to be old-fashioned because we have such a long tradition. So what we try to do here in the Netherlands, at least that is what I see, is to try to keep this alive. Because it really means something for us. Well, my research was the Gender Wayang in One Bali. So I wrote a PhD about it. It's there in the bookshelves. And so that was finished like 10 years ago, and I did research on the meaning of the music in combination with the narration. All of a sudden you start hearing a melody. Because they go parallel.
Gimana? Jadi lebih cinta Indonesia dong sekarang? Lebih tahu kan kalau ternyata negeri kita Indonesia itu mempunyai banyak banget budaya keren. Dan agak malu juga ya kalau yang lebih perhatian dengan budaya kita justru orang-orang yang berada di luar negeri. Ingat, tetap cinta ya. Cinta budaya, cinta Indonesia.